twice as likely to have cash flow concerns in your small business if you are using a dedicated consultant or a software as opposed to just doing it yourself. Yeah, kind of a surprising statistic. But I'm here to tell you that the reason why has nothing to do with whether the software works or whether the consultant is doing a good job. It has everything to do with how well you personally know your numbers in your business. Today, we're going to talk about a couple quick hacks for the non-accountant. So if you don't know anything about business financials, if you don't understand accounting and you're just struggling, I'm going to tell you a couple things that you need to do to make sure that you're keeping your numbers straight. First off, you've got to spend time looking at the numbers. There's no way around this. You have to spend time. So carve out a little bit of time every day, every week. Make sure that you're just looking at the numbers. Second thing that you need to make sure that you are doing is being consistent. It is more important that you are consistent with your numbers than accurate. Yeah, I said that correctly. It's more important that you're consistent than accurate. Why? Because if you're consistent and you're making a mistake, it's easy to fix that mistake because you've consistently made that same mistake. So if you're miscategorizing something in the accounting and you go to a professional, they can take all of those and just move them to the right box. But if you're bouncing all over the place and sometimes you get it right and sometimes you get it wrong, then it makes a whole mess of your financials. Consistency is key. Finally, there is no alternative for you doing your financials. You cannot, as a business owner, have someone else manage your financials. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't have a CFO or you can't hire a bookkeeper or you don't take it to a tax accountant to make sure that everything is accurate. What I'm saying is don't expect them to do your job for you. You need to be doing your job as the owner. I know it takes time. I know it's difficult, but we all have to do it. The most successful businesses, the most successful CEOs are making sure that they are taking the time to do their own financials. I hope you enjoyed these tips and tricks. If you're looking for additional great content, go ahead and check out all of our learning content on jazzjune.com/learnbiz, or you can subscribe right here to our channel for more content that we release weekly.